Creating a successful YouTube channel requires strategic planning, consistent effort, and a deep understanding of your target audience. Here's a comprehensive guide outlining 10 essential steps every creator should know. Define your version of success. Clarify what success means to you, be it a specific subscriber count, engagement level, or revenue target. Success on YouTube is a multifaceted concept that varies among creators, encompassing factors such as financial independence, personal fulfillment, community impact, and creative expression. This clarity will guide your content strategy and goals. Financial independence for many, achieving a sustainable income through their channel signifies success. This includes earnings from ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and other revenue streams. As one creator noted, success can be measured by the ability to earn an income that justifies the time invested in content creation. Personal fulfillment beyond monetary gains. Personal satisfaction derived from creating content that aligns with one's passions and interests is a significant success indicator. This intrinsic motivation often sustains creators through challenges and fuels their commitment to their craft. Community engagement. Building a supportive and engaged community is another hallmark of success. Active interaction with viewers fosters a sense of belonging and validates the creator's efforts, contributing to a rewarding experience. Identify your niche. Focus on a specific area of interest to attract a dedicated audience. A well-defined niche helps differentiate your channel and fosters viewer loyalty. It is important to find your niche. This way, YouTube can help you target that audience. Develop a content strategy. Plan your content around your niche, ensuring it aligns with your audience's interests. Consistency in content type and upload schedule is crucial for growth. My channel is based on using the mind to improve your life and live your dream life. This is my niche. I love learning about ways to improve myself, so I decided to share the information that helped me. Optimize your channel's visual identity. Create compelling channel art, including banners and thumbnails, to establish a professional and cohesive brand identity. Learning to create thumbnails for my videos gave them a huge boost. I also learned how to add my logos for brand identity. Four, implement SEO best practices. Utilize relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve searchability and reach your target audience effectively. Creating viral titles and descriptions also were a big help for my videos. Using tags were a game changer. Maintain a consistent upload schedule. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and signal to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, aiding in discoverability. I went hard. I upload daily. Secret. To stay ahead, I upload 2 to 3 videos at a time and schedule them. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, solicit feedback, and create content that addresses your viewers' interests and concerns to build a strong community. I constantly check my comments and respond to my wonderful subscribers. Analyze performance metrics. Regularly review analytics to understand which content resonates with your audience, allowing you to refine your strategy for better engagement. I checked my analytics daily. I became obsessed. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with fellow YouTubers can introduce your channel to new audiences and provide fresh content perspectives. I'm always reaching out to creators to collaborate. Monetize your channel strategically. Explore various revenue streams such as ad placements, sponsored content, and merchandise sales to diversify income and enhance channel sustainability. So you see? To obtain success, you must be consistent and stay laser-focused. This is the reality. No overnight success. So keep pushing, don't give up. This video was sponsored by UnderTheStarsBabe.shop. Remember, while under the stars, babe, anything is possible. By following these steps and remaining adaptable to the evolving digital landscape, you can build a successful and sustainable presence on YouTube. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, subscribe, and get notifications of new daily uploads.